Welcome to my tiny kitchen. Today we're gonna make Babi Pangang, crispy pork chops. The things you need to marinate the meat are 3 tablespoons of salty soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet baby ginger, 2 centimeters of fresh ginger, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of 5 spices mix, and the juice of half a lime. For the sauce, you need 200 grams of caster sugar, 1 deciliter of vinegar, 1 centimeter of ginger, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 chili pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna start by making the marinade for my meat here, my pork chops. I'm gonna start by cutting the onion. Not too tiny, because we're going to use the immersion blender to make the marinades. So now it's not completely grinded, but that's okay. Now we're going to add the 5 spices. This is really nice, super sweet ketchup sauce. It's called ketchup anise. And this one is the salty ketchup. It's always thinner than the sweet ketchup. And we're gonna add the baby ginger. Look at this. It's thick and it smells lovely already. I'm gonna pour it over my pork chops and then leave it. You can leave it one complete night in the fridge or just for a few hours. Now I'm using my hands to cover all the meat with the lovely marinade. Using a lime, of course, you can use a lemon, that's fine. Half of the juice, that will make the meat more tender. And then we're gonna make the sauce for our meat. While my meat is marinating, I'm gonna start the sauce. You can make the sauce a day in advance, easily, because the only thing you need to do is to heat it up. I start with the ginger. I'm gonna cut it into fine pieces of chili pepper. And of course you can add as much as you like. Now we're gonna add the sugar. I'm using a dark sugar. You can use white sugar, then your sauce will color a bit more reddish. I like the dark sugar because it has a lot of extra flavor, I think. And the sauce becomes almost black. I love that. This is tomato sauce, salt, pepper, water, and a lot of vinegar, of course, because there's also a lot of sweetness in it. Now we're going to heat this up until it simmers. Now my pork chops have been in the pan for about, well, 5 minutes. Not even. The skin needs to be closed, so all the juices stay inside, that's all. And now I have to roast it in the oven. So I need something that the moist can leak in this. This is how you can make crispy pork chops at home. Place them in the oven for about 15 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. And then the last 5 to 10 minutes you place it on top heat, grill heat. And then they become crispy, nice and juicy. My sauce has been simmering for about 10 minutes, maybe 15. I'm gonna add my cornstarch. I've added about a teaspoon of water. That's it. And then when you wait a while, this sauce becomes nice and thick and shiny. Perfect for over my Babi Pangang. Ooh. Juicy pork chops. I'm gonna cut them in pieces. Look at this, dark and sweet and sour and everything. And you see the pieces of chili and ginger. I love this sauce. It is really the balance between sweet and sour. It's so perfect. And the color, look at it. This is great. You can eat this with noodles or white rice, whatever you like. Selamat makan!